Hello everybody, welcome back. We are still going. Thank you for tuning in again. Let me show you, hang on, Jemima. So here we go.
This is her head. This is her head.
Currently absolutely covered in paper mache.
This is her head I'm working on.
This is her head that Annie's working on. So Annie, let's bring him more into the centre there so people can see. And this is what we've been doing. So get it messy and stick it on. As you can see, it is a messy job, this one.
It's really messy.
But it's good fun. And we're nearly done.
Lola has tuned in.
No, I haven't.
I hope she comes.
Woo-wee.
She is going to comment
So,
down below.
this is looking awesome.
I don't know.
We're not entirely sure what we're going to do
Oh, it's getting...
with the face yet of our robot, but
I'm still mixing it. I'm still mixing.
we'll work it out as we go along.
I'll finish mixing this.
Where's Mum?
Bit more.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Here we go. This is looking awesome.
Here's a print.
Well done, Annie. Whoa, that was a lot.
Here.
Okay, I'm going to lift it up and let's just check. Oh, all right, we haven't done the back or sides yet. So that's what you need to just check. Make sure that when you're doing this, you have a way of holding it. So we're holding it by the neck.
Dad holds it and I scan
Yep.
it. The weather. I got
How's the
weather.
Brazilian real at the moment? The election of new president Jair Bolsonaro boosts the real relative to sterling. Interesting. So they're expecting the new president to do some good things in Brazil. So the real currency is getting a bit stronger. Not that you care, but there you go.
If you wanted to know, there is.
Yeah, if you wanted to know, there it is.
And by the way, we are not artists.
Well, we're not.
Look, our hands.
We're not professional artists, we're amateur artists. And I think we're doing a pretty good job. Amateur, so we're not professionals, but we are still amazing.
By the way, I'm at school, but I'm not telling where I go.
So, let's also start to
I'm rubbing it onto the
do
table.
these
yes.
bits.
I'm rubbing it onto the table, yes, and that was the string. Isn't it, Dad?
Yep. Oh, sorry, we're doing it. Need to do it for the video to see.
Wait, can you...
It's fine, Annie. Let's keep going with this. We're nearly done.
If you can't hear us, it's not my fault.
It's fine, they can hear us.
But what about the mic?
Yeah, it's still working. Doesn't have to be right in front of you to pick you up. How's it looking?
I'm gonna cover the eye.
No, don't cover the eye holes.
Why?
Well, it won't be able to see.
He'll be blind.
Okay, let's turn it over. Check the back. How's it looking?
Good.
This bit underneath. Let's just do a few bits under here.
Okay, there's cover here.
No, don't cover that because that's the neck.
Oh, yeah.
Okay,
Oh, Dad,
that was a good one.
Oh, Dad, I made a pocket. There's a little pocket. I have to cover that up.
Oh, we need this to go under that. That's it.
I'll get my hand ready to smudge it over the top of it. Everything.
That needs to go under. I'm going to take that out just while we do this.
I ripped a bit of it.
Okay, I am thinking we are pretty much done.
Ooh, but I want to paint it now. Okay. Now, guys, we can paint it.
We obviously got to wait, haven't we, for it to dry.
Oh.
Unfortunately, Annie wants to do everything immediately. Well, the cool thing is for people watching Annie, it will be immediate because they haven't had to wait for it to dry. We have. Okay, there we go. I think we are happy.
With it.
We're going to clean up. That is awesome. Now, I suggest you put something like this somewhere to dry. We're going to find somewhere nice to put our robot while she dries. And then we will be back with another video on how to make an awesome robot out of paper mache. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you next episode. See ya.